Hello, my name's Jordan Houghton and I work for SJ Power & Sons, and we run this Sulky P100 drill, and we run it on many types of land. We farm wheat, barley, sugar beet, rape and potatoes on sand, clay, loamy soils and also black fen soils. Before we drill, we use a plough, we can use a sumo, a terra disc, or we can go straight into stubble, which we've done with this drill. We find works very well. There's many unique features with this drill we find very advantageous. By taking the press wheels off, you can go in very wet conditions, and I mean very wet, as you can see by the drill. There's also three tanks on board. I can be putting slug pellets on. I can also put fertiliser and put the corn in at the same time. The e-drive system is another advantage, which allows us to shut different coulters off. If you're drilling pheasant covers, you can shut every other coulter off, which is great. With this machine, we have isobus connection, which works very well with our John Deere screen. On the isobus system in the John Deere, it's very well laid out, very simple to use, very easy to use. We chose this machine because our local dealer Doubledays was a stock list of them. We were very impressed with how the setup and how well built it was. Maintenance of the machine is very simple. Quick release tines make it very easy to change. Also, there's very low maintenance to be required for the discs, and yeah, in general, it's a very low maintenance machine, which is very beneficial because you spend less time in the yard. The area service manager, Richard, helped me learn about the drill. Spent a day with us and it was very easy to grasp. Sulky brand is very good. It's extremely well built, and it's gone through, as you can see, it'll go through any conditions and it still stays. After sales service is second to none. You phone up for a bit, it's there within the next day. And I've also, if I have a problem, our local service area manager will come out and come and see us in the field on the day. If we had to make another purchase like this, 100% I'd be choosing this drill again. There's nothing I can find, I can't fault it.